Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the top products in various categories to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of snowblowers, showcasing the 5 best models you need to know about. From clearing driveways to tackling heavy snowfall, these snowblowers have proven their worth in terms of efficiency and performance. So, if you're tired of shoveling snow the old-fashioned way, stick around as we present the top contenders in the snowblower market. Get ready to say goodbye to backbreaking labor and hello to hassle-free snow removal. Let's jump right into it.
Greenworks is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The 13-amp 20-inch corded snow thrower quickly and effectively clears driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Get more power, torque, and longer tool life without the hassle of gas. With a 20-inch clearing width and 10-inch clearing depth, move large amounts of snow conveniently that has fallen up to 10 inches deep. The discharge chute rotates 180 degrees for directional control and can throw snow up to a distance of 20 feet away. The 7-inch rear wheels makes it convenient to maneuver over multiple snowy surfaces. Easily store the tool after use thanks to the convenient folding handles. The 13-amp 20-inch corded snow thrower is an ideal alternative to gas. No gas, no oil, no maintenance.
This is the Snow Joe 21-inch 15-amp single-stage snowblower. We got about 7 inches here in Colorado. It's our first snow of the season and gave me a great opportunity to try out my new snowblower. This is a corded electric snowblower from Snow Joe. The extension cord I'm using is the yellow Southwire heavy-duty 3-prong extension cord. It's meant for cold weather temperature. This is the 100-foot cord. As you can see, this snowblower did a great job in helping me remove the snow from my driveway and all around my sidewalks. We had a pretty thick snow, and I think this snowblower had no problem into throwing the snow exactly where I wanted it to be. Snow Joe 21-inch 15-amp single-stage snowblower, links down below.
Deal with whatever winter throws your way with the max power and max performance of the SJ627E 22-inch 15-amp electric snow thrower with dual LED lights from Snow Joe. The powerful 15-amp motor is ideal for clearing large driveways and walkways. Equipped with a steel auger and 4 heavy-duty rubber-tip blades, SJ627E moves a massive amount of snow, up to an incredible 25 tons per hour, while clearing a path up to 22 inches wide by 13 inches deep in a single pass. SJ627E features an adjustable chute that rotates 180 degrees to direct the snow stream up to 25 feet away to put the powder precisely where you want it, and features a durable scraper bar at the base of the unit to clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Compared to heavier and more cumbersome gas machines, SJ627E weighs just 35 pounds, so you can easily maneuver it around your property. And for safer nighttime snow removal, SJ627E features dual integrated 3-watt LED headlights to brighten the way for increased nighttime visibility. And SJ627E is backed by Snow Joe's complete 2-year warranty. So when winter strikes, fight back and go with Joe with the max power and max performance of the SJ627E. Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, the 2 included 4-amp-hour batteries provide up to 30 minutes of rechargeable runtime with 0 carbon emissions for cleaner air. Cut the cord with Ion Plus cordless convenience to blast past the limits of an extension cord and go anywhere powers at a premium. Equipped with the heavy-duty rubber-tipped steel blade auger, Snow Joe clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. The powerful 1200-watt brushless motor plows through up to 10.5 tons of snow per charge, up to 700 pounds per minute, while the integrated scraper bar at the base of the unit clears straight to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Put the powder precisely where you want it. Snow Joe's adjustable chute control rotates 180 degrees to throw snow up to 20 feet away in any direction. And after dark, the integrated 2-watt LED light lights the way for safer nighttime clearing. And when there's more work to be done, boost your battery power with even more Ion Plus battery options available online. Or get equipped with a second set of Ion Plus batteries to keep throwing when it won't stop snowing. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe.
Snowblower from the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power equipment. Featuring EGO's peak power technology, it combines the force of 2 of EGO's patented 56-volt arc lithium batteries to exceed premium gas models. Easily clear a 12-car driveway with 8 inches of snow, all in a single charge. Built with steel augers, it can plow through ice and snow 50% faster before launching it 40 feet away and out of your way. Need to tackle snow after hours? Turn on the bright LED headlights and see your way forward. Once you're done, the foldable chute and handles make storage and transport easy. Snow stands no chance against the all